In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off double tap on iPhone. So to start, you need to go to settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. Next, what you need to do is to tap on touch under physical and motor. Scroll to the bottom and select back tap. Now tap double tap. Select none at the top of the list. And that's it, and see if that solves your problem. Next, if your screen keeps sliding down halfway when you tap or swipe to bottom, so what you need to do is go back to settings, go to accessibility, tap on touch, and toggle reachability to off. Another way, if you have a floating on screen button that reacts to double tapping, what you need to do is to go back to settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. Next, what you need to do is to scroll down and click on touch. And once you're in here, go to assistive touch, tap on it. Now under custom actions, tap on double tap and select none. And that's basically it. That's how you can turn off double tap on iPhone. Thanks for watching.